Here we are, 1967 Camaro. This is an affordable pro touring car with a 6.0 LS motor. It's installed really good. You can barely hear it, but when you get on it, oh my God. Front bumper delete. Transmission is an automatic 4L60. I got new weather stripping coming for the car and new window door felts coming for the car. And we're gonna do a new carpet kit install for it as well. The body is straight on the car. It's got original quarters, 4-wheel power disc brakes, power steering. Really nice car. Now, it's not a professional paint job. It's a pretty good paint job from here, and I'm only about 8 feet away. Great look to it. 2010 Camaro leather seats, 6-way power seats, and it all works. New gauges inside. We'll go for a little ride. Got just installed auto meter gauges. Everything's functional. No overheating problems. The car is really quiet on idle, and it handles. Holy cow, does it handle? Woo! You gotta hold on for this baby, I tell you that. Motor's got about 80,000 when it was pulled out of a truck. That's 80 miles an hour in a few seconds. Holy cow, this 4L60 shifts incredible. No weird noises going down the road. I mean, really, really, really nice tight car, and it handles, look at this, I mean, on a dime. I am really, really impressed with this car, guys. For an affordable pro touring car, I don't think you're gonna find another one for the price of 35 grand. Hot damn! Hot damn! Woo! Get back to the shop before I get pulled over and a ticket here. This thing handles like a dream. All the front suspension's been redone. Guys, listen, if you don't buy this car, you're missing out. $35,000. Call now. 847-848-1850. You're not going to find a better deal with the 6.0 like this, rebuilt with the 4L60, 4-wheel power disc brakes, power steering, new tech, new gauges, new shifter, ready to go. Listen how quiet it is on throttle. It's amazing. This thing's a little tiger, man. Call me, text me, 847-848-1850. For all pictures, other cars, go to mgmclassiccars.com. Check us out. We're in Addison, Illinois. Best in the Northwest, baby. Thanks for watching.